The 2019 Acura RDX is known for persistent infotainment system problems that affect many owners. These issues can be frustrating, but understanding them is the first step to finding solutions. The three most common issues are touchpad lag with delays of 2 to 5 seconds, black screen problems where the display fails completely, and frequent system reboots that happen without warning. These problems stem from Acura's true touchpad interface system, which replaced traditional touchscreen controls. The system suffers from hardware limitations, including insufficient processing power and memory issues, combined with software optimization problems like memory leaks and instability. If you're experiencing these problems, start with simple troubleshooting steps. These three methods can often resolve temporary glitches and restore normal operation. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This restarts the system without affecting your settings or data. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 15 minutes. This completely clears the system memory and can resolve more persistent issues. Finally, you can clear the system cache by navigating to Settings, then System, then Storage, and selecting Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts. These troubleshooting steps can resolve many temporary glitches with your 2019 Acura RDX Infotainment system. Try them in order, starting with the soft reset before seeking professional assistance. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your 2019 Acura RDX infotainment issues, advanced solutions are available. The first step is ensuring your system runs the latest software version. If software updates don't resolve the lag issues, professional touchpad recalibration performed by an Acura dealer can significantly improve system responsiveness and accuracy. For chronic issues that persist despite software updates and calibration, complete component replacement may be necessary. While costly, this provides a permanent solution for severely affected systems. Given the potential high costs of repairs, Acura has extended warranty coverage for infotainment issues to 6 years or 70,000 miles for affected models. Consider purchasing extended warranty protection. Acura learned from these issues and reintroduced touchscreen capabilities in 2022 models. Current systems use a hybrid approach, combining both touchpad and touchscreen functionality for improved user experience. If problems persist after trying these solutions, consult your Acura dealer immediately. They can provide specific hardware diagnostics and recommend the most cost-effective solution for your particular situation.